Hello, in this video just want to show you the hardware size of the Samsung Galaxy S4 Zoom against some other smartphones available on the market today to give you an idea of how it compares if you haven't had hands-on with it. So first things first, let's compare it with the Samsung Galaxy S4. So we can see here in terms of physical size that this is definitely smaller in terms of length than the S4, but thickness wise there's absolutely no comparison. We've also, when we consider the weight, the S4 Zoom is heavier, but you can sort of see their profiling. Of course this carries the S4 badge, but it's actually a 4.3 inch display, which is closer to the S4 Mini than the Samsung Galaxy S4. Here we've got an iPhone 4, so you can see how that compares. The S4 Zoom is actually bigger. Thickness wise, well again, you know, there's naturally quite a considerable difference in terms of the thickness size because of the lens on here, and again, weight massively different. We've got an HTC 8X. Now this is perhaps a bit closer in size of the actual sort of footprint of the device, but weight and thickness of course have a considerable bearing yet again. Here we've got the Samsung Galaxy S3 Mini. So this is a bit closer in terms of the actual handset size. So if you can imagine you're using this as a phone, you can see how that compares. It's not too much bigger when it comes to the S4 Zoom, a little bit of extra height there. Weight of course considerably different again, but you know, the profile width of the handset is fairly similar. We got the Samsung Galaxy S2. That's quite similar in terms of the overall height and width, and perhaps is the closest yet. A little bit sharper on the edges. Thickness wise, okay, don't need to say that to you again in terms of that. And lastly, we got the Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Now that again dwarfs the S4 Zoom, so you can see the actual footprint is considerably different. Thickness, naturally, it's thinner. Weight wise though, the S4 Zoom still feels that little bit heavier, but there isn't so much disparity between the two. So that's a quick hardware size comparison of the S4 Zoom against other smartphones.